Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this training video, I will talk about the Python identity operator. The Python identity operator compare the memory location of the two objects. There are two identity operators in a Python, that is and is not. Is operator will return true if the variable on both the sides are point to the same object, otherwise it returns false. Next operator is not. It returns false if the variable on either side it points to the same object, otherwise it returns true. So let us try this identity operator with the help of example. So let us start this identity operator with the help of example. So let's say identity operator, there are two operators, that is and is not. So we'll see one by one. First of all, I'll just assign the value to the two variables. A is equal to 10 and let's say B equal to 50. These are the two variables I'll create, and I combine the two statements which will create and assign the value to that variable. Then we'll use is operator. So we'll use if A is B. It means that A is equal to B. Both the values are same. Then we are entering into the if loop. So we will write print A and B is having same value. Then I will not write any statement. I will go to the starting point and use the else part. Use the else block and then I write print and I write A and B is not same or having not same value, having different value. So we just compile this code. So what output will get? Now we'll see that A and B is having different value because A is not equal to. Next we'll use is not operator if A is not B. So A is not B, then we'll say equal to B. Then we'll go to the very starting point of the next line and enter into the else part. We'll write print. Let's say A is equal to B. Compile this is not part. A is not equal to B. Now I just modify the value of B is equal to value of A is equal to 50. And now we will check both variables are equal 50-50. And then we'll write is not. So now it is equal. A is equal to 2. So in this way, is and is not is 1. In the is operator, it returns true if the value of both the variables are same or both the objects are same, and is not is 1 when both the value are not equal. So hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. I hope you like the content or I saved your time. Please support by sharing the video with your friends. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and press the notification bell icon to get the latest information. Thanks for watching this video.